Stop, 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 stop.
After 400 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Stop, 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 stop. So the big major roundabout, I have to say to you, stop, 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 stop. The reason why, because as you're about to leave, there was a car coming, and that car was literally just
He
there.
in being roundabout, yeah, when I wait, because from right nobody not coming. She probably come from, you know, this another
from
exit.
there.
Yeah. And that's why I not
So
see.
on the roundabout, so if this is your car here,
Yeah, and
you give
it-
way to traffic coming from your right,
Yeah.
and
for
ahead.
who in road, yeah.
So a lot of people, they only look the right.
I think I stay here. He go somewhere here. That's why I not see still. I start moving, you know. He be in.
So
yeah.
the car was just about there.
Yeah.
So
Because
we need to look out for
slow.
that as well. It's very important. Okay, so that's why I have to tell you that.